Welcome to MarineMax in Fort Myers. I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough today of our brand new Boston Whaler 350 Realm. As you can see, this boat is powered with triple 300 Mercury Verados. These are the new V8 naturally aspirated Mercuries. They produce a lot more torque, and this boat is awesome with them. Great acceleration, great mid-range, good fuel economy. So we're on board now. And the theme of this boat, so we're on board now, and the layout of this boat is geared for multi-purpose usage. The boat can be fished, cruised. It's great for entertaining, multiple social areas. When you're fishing, put this back bench seat up here, and you have a nice aft cockpit area with rod holders, a live well, and a sunshade. Underneath this aft facing seat is a cool box. And you also have fish boxes on both sides. Huge dive door. So at the helm here, it's a joystick boat. It already has one Raymarine screen on it with room for a second. Vessel view, VHF, active trim, and then Seakeeper as well. So that's going to stabilize you when you're offshore or in heavy seas. It's going to eliminate a lot of that roll. Underneath this massive hardtop, you have great seating. The helm seat can turn around. And this flips back. And a table inserts right here, fills in this area. So you can have your cocktails, your appetizers, out of the sun, out of the weather, underneath the hardtop. It's a portside walkthrough to the bow. Massive sun lounge. Great seating, high-low table that can be converted into a sun lounge. Huge single pane window, great visibility. And this also has a nice sized cabin. So that can be converted into a little V-berth. You have your TV, and in here is a full stand-up head with a shower. So if you'd like more information, please give us a call, 859-797-5748, or visit us at MarineMax in Fort Myers. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.